test of the knockoff GoPro. Found this at a thrift store for $2.99. So there's no excuse of me not purchasing it. We are in my room, and it's pretty dark. Let's turn on the TV light, I like to call. It's holding the camera itself, there's no mount. Well, I have accessories for it. And it was in the cage right here. It's waterproof, water sealed tight. Looks good on the preview. I just kicked the TV. Also at that place, I bought this. And this. Does it focus well? Yeah, that TV looks weird as hell on the preview screen. Okay, hold on. The protective film is still on the lens. Look better now? The squirrel didn't freak out when I opened the door. On the viewfinder, it looks overblown, like it's really too bright. This camera sucks. Oh well, it's only $3. Here's this piece of crap. It's not as good as the old one. This one blows a little bit less air. Oh well, the central air complements my oscillating fans very well. Anyway, let's get this stupid video uploaded. Yes, the Windows 2000 Paradise wallpaper. Before you can see the screen break. No card, you think? We have death. Well, the screen. Ooh, that looks cool. Oh. Oh, that's cool. That light right there. It's pretty bright. Look at that. May explode if damaged. It's not hot at all. It's pretty hollow. Yeah, listen to that. Anyway, that's the end of that.